Nice race, Mark.
Hey, thanks,
But
runner.
next time you're going to be following me to the finish line.
Maybe. Hey, where's a good place to eat around here?
Hardee's.
Hardee's in Cincinnati? Since when?
Since right now, best eating in town has come to town.
Great! Hardee!
Well, hey, how do we get there, runner?
Follow me?
Let's roll.
A man on the go looks high and low for his kind of cooking, but I stopped looking when I found Hardee's. Best eating in town, up and down and all around.
Hey, runner, you sure about this Hardee's? What do they got?
Well, they got maybe the best lineup of burgers in town, up and down and all around.
And they got a hot ham and cheese that's sure to please.
A chicken filet that's A-OK.
And a big roast beef that's beyond belief. All that and a whole lot more. Ah, there it is, oh big 10-4.
Hey, runner, you made a sale on that big roast beef.
That chicken filet sounds good.
Save me a hot ham and cheese.
Boy, now that's worth leaving home for.
Hardee's, best eating in town, up and down and all around.